Business Bites powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. If your grocery bill felt higher in May, you were not imagining it. Jamaicans paid more for some of the things they buy most often, including fresh produce, restaurant meals, and electricity. Staten said inflation rose by 1.5% in May, but that does not mean every price went up by 1.5%. It means the overall cost of goods and services commonly bought by households was higher in May than it was in April. Food was the main reason. Prices in the food and non-alcoholic beverages category rose 1.7%, with consumers paying more for items such as tomatoes, cabbage, carrots, ripe bananas, and pineapples. The category that includes vegetables, tubers, plantains, and cooking bananas rose by 4.8%. For many households, higher produce prices are felt quickly because food is one of the largest monthly expenses. It was not just groceries. Meals bought at restaurants and other food establishments also cost more, pushing the restaurants and accommodation services category up 5.7%. Electricity also added to the pressure, with the housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels category up 0.7%. The increase was highest in rural Jamaica, where prices rose by 1.7%. Staten also said prices in May were 5.4% higher than a year earlier. That is called point-to-point inflation. It compares May this year with May last year, while the monthly rate compares May with April. Food prices were up 8.7% over the year, so while the headline inflation rate was 5.4%, many consumers may feel a bigger squeeze because the largest increases are coming from things they often buy. What happens next will depend heavily on food prices, especially produce. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.